All right, hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is a pretty special video. I'm gonna be going over my Top C collection, my Metal Toys Top Cs, and yeah, as you guys can see, I have a lot of these, and this is like one of my favorite fidgets I've ever tried. Of course, there's spinners, sliders, mechanical, magnetic, all different kinds of spinners, just all different kinds of fidgets in general. But these I really like because they're small, simple, um, they're easily customizable, tunable. The materials give a different feel for each version, and I've spent roughly $2,000 on all of these. This is 9 of them. This is the Zerkatai Top C, around 350. Makume Top C, around 350. Blasted Zerk, around 200. Titanium Top C, around like 150. Both of these, three of these, the Sparks, 250 each. The PEI Top C, about 100, and then this thing about 100 as well, the stainless steel Top C. So I've had about every single version except the new superconductor one. I've not tried that. I don't know if I will. But yeah, I'm not too big of a fan of those black little things on the outer ring. But yeah. So as you can see, I've spent a lot and I have every single version. So which is my favorite? And that honestly, I can't really answer that question because one, each of them have their own different tune. For example, this is the Zerkatai Top C. It has like stiffer balls and stiffer springs, and I think they're called spacers, brass spacers between them. That gives it a nice crisp click with the ZZ plate. And then I have the Makume Top C, just stock. And then I have the Zerk with soft springs. And then the Titanium with all stiff. Stainless steel, stiff plus stock plate. ZZ plate on the PEI with plastic balls. The custom engraved Top C stock. The Spark with stiff and smaller balls, and then the spacers on the golden black Zerk. So yeah, they're all like, I love them all. They all have their each different tune. They all have their each different feel, which is why I really love these things. But if I had to choose my top that I would keep, that I'm actually keeping, I'll talk more about that later. Yeah, I think it would be the Zerkatai and these because I like the colors and stuff about them, and these because they are really low numbers. For example, I'll show you guys. This is stainless steel production number 5, so this is the 5th one ever made. I'll actually set it aside like this. This is the titanium. This is actually, this is actually the 3rd one ever made, so that's really rare. So that's why I want to keep these two. These I just like the feel of them. This one doesn't have a number because it's a international version. So yeah, but this Zerk one, I'll open them all up for you guys to see. The Zerk one is number 17. This one is number 26. This is number 27. That's pretty cool. So these are the two the exact same things. Just one of them is engraved and one of them isn't. This is 26, this is 27. So this is the exact one that was made after this one, which is really, really cool. And then the blasted Zerk is number 26 as well. So as you can see, I have a lot of same number top C's. And then this one, if I can get it open, there we go. It's a pretty rare number as well, because this is number 14. It has an X with number 4 because that's what they put it as in China. So yeah, a really, really low number, really, really low number. The numbers really close to each other. The same numbers, and then a rare number. So yeah, they're pretty cool. I love them all. But actually, I did recently make a decision that I will be sizing down on my top C collection, because I mean, as cool as they are, having $2,000 in a single version of a fidget is kind of crazy. So I think I will be letting go half of these, if not more. So let me put these back together and I'll let you guys know which ones I'm letting go. So, all right. Put that back together, and I'll weigh these things for you guys so you guys know which ones weigh how much. Shit. This does take a bit to do. And the last one. So I have decided on the 4 that I'll be keeping, and those are these 4 will be the ones I'm keeping. I want to keep more, but I gotta be realistic here, and I decided that I'm gonna let go of these 5. These 2 have already been sold. This one I'm still thinking about it. It is kind of pending already with the buyer. This one I traded to Gavin from Dynamic Inertia for some Zerk buttons for my stainless steel thermal thing. And then the only one left right now is this thing, one of my favorites, but I'm gonna keep only one spark in like the black and gold colorway. But this is a really special one. Only one of these in the world. It was custom engraved by a maker in China. And yeah, I was able to import it to the US and have it be here. So yeah, anyone that wants this one can comment or email me, and yeah, we can talk about it. I really don't want to let this go, but I have to. Told myself I'm only keeping 4, which are these, and these I use the most. Well, not this one. This one I'm keeping mainly for the the low number. But these I love. Okay, but yeah, like I said, there's not one that I hate or don't like. so they're all like favorites in my eyes. But I'll go ahead and weigh these things for you guys as well. 32, 9.55, 40.86, 32.47, 32.94, 26.93, 32.21, 24.86, and 36.21. So the heaviest is this one, and the lightest is that. I really don't want to be selling these, but it is what it is. Good thing is, with that money that I sell these for, I'll be getting new fidgets for the channel to bring you guys more content. So yeah, if you are interested in this one, let me know. Yeah, unfortunately, it's available. But yeah, honestly, I give Topsy a 10 out of 10. If you get it, try to get it with a ZZ plate and some extra balls, different material balls, different springs, some brass spacers. And yeah, those things really do make a difference. They change the entire thing completely. Not one of these has the same tune on it, which is why I really love these things and why I had so many. But yeah, time to size down. And yeah, hopefully Metal Toys does come out with a tungsten version. I would love to feel that, try that out. And that would be crazy heavy. And yeah, I guess we can do like another sound test for these things. $49. 51, 52. 58. 63. 57. 45. 55. 54 to 56. 49. But yeah, if you guys do want to get these things, get whichever one you want. I mean, they're all good. You can just tune it if you don't like the stock version or the stock feeling. Yeah, it's totally tunable. It can be like very, very stiff or very, very soft on the click, or very, very stiff. Yeah, they're all amazing. That's it. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Again, make sure to check out our channel sponsors down below, and my viewers get an exclusive 10% off your entire order. And yeah, and if you are interested in this one, comment below or email me. We will talk. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.